Hello friends, good morning. Today is 13th June 2024 guys, and it is Thursday. And guys, today is the right time guys, or the perfect time to harvest or to pluck our garlics guys. So I planted these garlics in the last week of October or first week of November, something like that guys, and now they are ready to be harvested, and I am very happy. I started harvesting them when I came back from school this morning, when I dropped the kids to school, and now we are going to continue harvesting these beautiful garlics guys. And yes, we are very grateful for all of these garlics, because I'm sure that we are going to have a year's worth of garlics guys. So we are going to harvest these garlics, and then after that we are going to dry them. So we will dry them maybe in a place guys where it's airy, so that the leaves or the skin will dry completely, and then we will use them. Okay guys, so let's start guys. Okay, but first I want to show you our garden. I know it is so full of weeds guys, especially with these spikes, and oh my goodness, they bothers a lot guys. And in this side guys, my husband and I we decided to use all these materials because we have a lot of these guys. So we use this instead of the hollow blocks, and we also put the manure here directly. I mean, some of them are, you know, it's like mixed of a compost and the manure guys of our sheep and goat. And as you can tell that the tomatoes, they love it so much guys. Many people said that you cannot use directly the manure because it is full of this kind of element which is very high nitrogen, and they will kill the plants. But look, we are so happy because plants are growing. And yes, there you go. Yes guys, so this is the other side, and in the other side guys, that side we didn't do nothing guys. Yeah, because we have lots of weeds guys, it's insane. And in this row we also have these tomatoes. So I planted lots of tomatoes that our neighbor gave us, and I planted them in different days guys. So these ones are quite big already, as you can tell that they have flowers already, and also some of them they have fruit. Yes, and these are the last ones guys that I planted. That's why they are still small comparing to these ones. And I also have tomatoes guys into the other garden that I planted earlier from our neighbor as well. And yeah, they are growing really nicely in there. And hopefully, I think this year is the year of tomatoes, garlics, onions as well guys. And yeah, I miss to plant many things guys because I am working now. I'm not working full-time in our garden. That is why I planted quite a few. I planted lots of ampalaya, but I really miss more, like I really miss other vegetables like the bush beans I planted, but I only have maybe 4 plants, something like that. And I want to have a lot of these because we love these bush beans, especially the kids, they love it so much. Anyways guys, let's continue harvesting or plucking our garlics. They are big people. Wow, so satisfying, guys. Look. Wow, this is big, really big. It's enormous. This is quite small. Another small one. Ah. Big. Hello everyone. So if you remember, I planted my ampalayas here, if you remember, and they climb into this willow tree. And in here I also planted these beautiful onions, but just like they're not growing that well, guys. They don't like the soil. This is compost, but it seems that they don't like it. They're not growing that well, because if you compare it to the other side, so if you compare it to here, guys, these ones are growing nicely. If you remember, I planted also onions into this bed, guys, but this bed really needs care. I have to pluck all these weeds, guys, because these weeds are stubborn. Yeah.
Spesa te już świeci i możemy na gamba kilku.